This is the Meross Smart Garage Door Opener. And basically, check this out. Alexa, open the garage. Alexa, close the garage. Yep. So basically this connects through your Meross app, and within that app you can check whether your garage is open or closed, and you can also open and close it from your app as well. And then you can connect that to your Alexa, and that way you can do voice commands. Installation is not super easy, but it's also not terrible. Something that you can do yourself. Basically, you have the main unit, which you'll need power for, so you need to plug it in. It has Wi-Fi, so you can easily connect it to the app. And then you have the sensor on this long cable to run over to your garage. And this is how your garage knows if it is open or closed, because it will line up in that place. Before you buy it, make sure you check if your garage door unit is compatible. They have a long list, but for me it was easy because there was a button plugged into where these cables need to go into. So you just hook them in and that's what will trigger the garage door. But I love it. It makes it a lot easier, especially if my hands are full, just to tell it to open. I also like that if I leave it open on accident, it will actually send me a notification letting me know that the garage door has been opened for at least 15 minutes. So if I am away from home, I can actually check this and I can shut the garage. And for that, I highly recommend it. It's awesome. And thanks for watching.